Strokes it into the gap for a single. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. What a great ball. Look at that. Ball thrashing into the stumps.
There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, shot, but only a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Pacer introduced from the other end.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, he smashed that to the boundary. 4 runs. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's a very loose shot.
And two fielders outside the inner circle.
That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Dead ball signaled by the umpire.
Can he do it again? That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back.
There is a fielder at cover.
And he helps himself to a six. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
That's six. He picked up the length very early.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Big appeal, and up goes the finger. Batsman having a chat with his partner for the DRS review, and they decide against it. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for a six. Spinner into the action from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is a nice shot. Timed it beautifully for four. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is a very quick signal taken. Slips in place. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Last ball of the innings coming up. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers